What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this DDR5 memory kit right here from Patriot. This is their Viper Gaming Elite 5, and this DDR5 kit is actually going to be 48 gigabytes. So each one of these modules is 24 gigabytes, which is pretty cool because a lot of times we typically see 16 gig modules, but here we have 24, giving us a total of 48 gigabytes, which is really cool. Now, this specific kit that I have here is going to run at 6,000 megahertz with timings of 42, 42, 42, 82 at 1.35 volts. Now, if we take a closer look at the modules themselves, they are some of the best looking modules that I've seen from Patriot. So sort of like a matte white design. That is the only color currently available. And then we have black accents there. So we have black accents on the Viper Gaming logo and then the Viper text at the top. We also have a diffuser at the top that does have the Viper logo there. That's of course for the RGB lighting, which I will show you. But like I said, this is some of the best looking memory that I've seen from Patriot. So here's our memory installed in our system here. As you can see, we have some awesome RGB lighting. Now, when it comes to the RGB lighting, Patriot does have their own RGB lighting software. You don't have to use it though. These modules will just turn on automatically, but you can also use your motherboard's RGB software. So these modules are going to be compatible with all major motherboard software. I really like that we have this nice light bar here. It looks like a single bar, which I like. And of course, we have these Viper logos over here, which light up. That's definitely very nice there as well. Now, when it comes to performance, this kit did quite well. But on top of that, we were actually able to overclock this from 6,000 megahertz all the way up to 7,200 megahertz. And that's without, loosening timings or adjusting voltage or anything like that. It just runs at that speed, which is incredibly impressive. So quite a lot of overclocking headroom with this. So if you are looking for some RGB DDR5 memory, this is a kit that I would definitely recommend.